Hello, as you know, I've provided you with a link to copy this Google Sheets spreadsheet. The reason I created this spreadsheet was to help you prepare in advance for the end of your MET program. During the final course, EdTech 592 portfolio, you're required to come up with a list of the artifacts that meet the standards, the AECT indicators. This particular spreadsheet, the first sheet, provides you with a way that you can add your course number, your semester, the artifact name, and select the indicator that that artifact meets. As you know, your instructor will provide you with a list of the artifacts in the course syllabus, along with the AECT indicators that align with that artifact. Sometimes artifacts have several indicators, sometimes they'll just have one. So for instance, as you can see, this web quest has several indicators. I've just added it each time as a new entry to a row and selected the proper indicator. And you don't have to even type it in. As you know, you can use the fill handle and copy down. Same thing with the course numbers. So this is what I suggest doing. I have EdTech 501, all the artifacts from spring 2018 on here, along with their AECT indicators. And as you know, you also created your learning log in Mahara, and I provide you with information on how to continue using Mahara at the end of the semester. And I also added EdTech 502 from spring 2018. I selected what I felt were the major artifacts you created in that course and added the AECT indicators. As you proceed in our program, you can just simply add the course number. So let's say it's 503, and let's say it's fall 2018. You'll put the name of the artifact, and you will select the indicator that the artifact aligns with. If you do this throughout the course and keep track of every artifact that you create along with the corresponding indicator, you will save yourself a ton of time at the end of the program because you will have essentially already done the first part of the EdTech 592 portfolio course, which is to provide a list of all the artifacts and the indicators and select the artifact that you feel or the artifacts you feel best meet the indicators. As you know, the power of a spreadsheet is that you can filter and sort and do all sorts of things. It doesn't have to be just numbers. So let's go ahead and set this column and apply a filter. So we'll create a filter and let's say you've added all your artifacts. There will be a lot more than is currently on this list. And we'll go ahead and clear all these. And we're just going to select the ones that meet 1.1. We'll filter, and there we go. We have all of the artifacts that meet 1.1. You can quickly look at them and decide which of those you'd like to use in your final showcase portfolio. So again, while this might seem like a lot of work at the beginning, at the end, you're going to just thank yourself over and over again that you did this. So I provided you with 501 and 502. I provided you with a way to copy this Google Sheets spreadsheet. On the worksheet 2, you have the entire AECT standards table. I really encourage you to be very diligent and complete this sometime during the semester, as well as, of course, keep track of your artifacts, either through the Mahara learning log or the learning log of your choice. Thanks for viewing.